What is the mountain which submerges under the Bay of Bengal, under the sea of Bay of Bengal, right? Come on, hey, right on. Under the sea of Bay of Bengal, right? 80 bits right? Under the Arcanioma. Rashara. Andaman Nicobar is famous for Andaman Nicobar is famous for British jails. Dash British jails. British underline చేసుకోండి. British jails. Indira Point is established on Arcanioma mountain to avoid crashing of the ships. Avoid. Lakshadweep is famous for coral. Coral region. Flora and fauna. That region is called coral region. C-O-R-A-L, coral region. మెల్లగా అరే స్లోగా మాట్లాడండి. కోరల్ రీజియన్. నెక్స్ట్ Andaman Nicobar has the area of 32 square kilometers, right? Andaman Lakshadweep has area of 32 kilometers, having 200 islands. Nearly 200 islands ఉంటాయి మొత్తం కలిపి లక్షద్వీప్ అంటారు. The largest lake among the Chilaka, Kolleru and Pulikattu. Chilaka Lake is the largest lake. India is located 82.5